What in the world is this wire connected to? We are going to talk about low voltage wiring, what to do and what not to do. Please be sure to click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel so we can share our latest content with you. So, what makes a good wiring infrastructure? You want everything in your office to be centralized and organized. You should have some type of a data rack. You should have what's called a patch panel. Everything should be correctly labeled and tested. You need to know what wires are being used for what functions, whether they be voice or data, or perhaps your internet Wi-Fi system. You want everything organized so that things perform better and troubleshooting is made a whole lot easier. How do you make sure everything is properly installed and tested? Find certified technicians. That makes all the difference. We understand installations seem costly because of the labor and the expertise that's involved to do the job correctly. If you cut corners, that only risks bad performance, and that's going to hurt your company's productivity. So here's some other things and other cautionary tales when it comes to bad wiring. If you're like many businesses, you probably have or want to have a strong Wi-Fi system in your office because most of your end users are using laptops. They're using portable devices, whether they be Zebra tablets in the warehouse or people talking on their iPhones. That has become a new critical component of office infrastructure. If your Wi-Fi is not installed and performing properly, you're going to have a hard time convincing your workers to come and stay in the office. So here are my final thoughts. Find a pro, someone who's qualified to do low voltage work. Go to your personal network and ask people for a reputable vendor. A reputable vendor should come out and visit you and perform a site survey. During that survey, the technician should carefully review anywhere that you need wiring. That same technician should ask questions about your staff, how they use technology, where does all the critical stuff sit, whether you still have servers and other critical pieces that use technology. Make sure that they've got the appropriate coverages for business insurance. And when they give you a proposal, ask for detailed explanations. No one should expect to know what Cat 6 is versus Cat 5e and all of these other technical terms. You, as the customer, have a right to know what the material costs are and what the labor costs are for your project. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to contact us here at RAM. We are happy to help. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and take care.